I ain't even got no shirt off in the booth. 18 years of pain, and I ain't never felt shit. Blake told me she loved me, so I stuffed her with my dick. Hit that kid switch, ain't talking about that grip, that tic-tac-tick. Let you know that time ticking. Walked out by myself, I don't need no fucking witness. Me and Kobe on that mission, make it back, don't do no tripping. Nah, I don't do no slipping. You can play and get your issue. Got a plan to make it out, don't wanna see mama with no tissue. 323 about that back and free the motherfucking tweaker. Mr. Hop out and delete you. Bitch, I can't wait till I see you. We don't shoot up homes, no, we gon' camp out till we see you. Say you looking for me, nigga, I just can't wait till I meet you. Free my six about that bitch, I can't change, no, never switch. Niggas be so counterfeit, up on that rap, we play with sticks. You can crash and lose your shit for trying to play with like a bitch. Gotta make it out, my nigga. Momo feel I should take a safer route, can't see no drop, my nigga.
Yeah, I can see the signs, respect my mind to get left on the curb. I snuck in the honest every time I gotta get off first. Can't have mama crying, so I go pray to God after my work. Heard the fist still on my trail, I'm paranoid, my head hurt. I took some time away to tighten up my screws and get in check. Cause it ain't by mistake, so many telling me that I'm up next. Lot of crazy dreams, gonna send that hollows in my flesh. Some cool down for fame, bitch, I'm down behind respect. And this that real shit, hitters hit that kill switch. Judge offering all of that time, they quick to spill shit. I ain't even capping, think a dead man could feel this. 2-3 go bananas, minutes itching for the pill shit. Look, OTF gon' pin a nigga to the flow. SOL, that shit for sure. 6PR, we stay on go. I feel the tension in the room, I promise they don't want no smoke. I never lack to let you know. Just like your hoe, you gotta go, gang.